Dear viewers, welcome to another amazing tutorial by SeekDJO. In this video, I'm going to explain how to change location for Google search results. The problem with Google is that it automatically detects your location from IP address and shows results from your country and surrounding regions only. However, sometimes, we're looking to see results from another country. So, if you also want to select results from another country, this video is going to be very helpful for you. The method explained in this video doesn't require any VPN or special software. Let me search for puffed rice recipe without changing location settings. These are the search results for my region. Now to change location settings for Google search, click on the setting icon. Now click on See All Search Settings. Click on Other Settings. Now head over to Language and Region. From here, you can choose the preferred location for search results. Now go back and search again for the same term. Some results on the top may seem similar, but as you scroll down, you will see a considerable difference in search results due to location settings. In order to reset search location back to your region, follow the same steps and select Current Region in Location Settings. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.